Have you ever wanted to create a USB installer for Windows, but the only type of computer you have is a Mac? Well, stay tuned and watch this video as I'm going to show you how to create one of these inside of the Mac OS environment. First, we'll need to go to the Microsoft website and download the Windows 10 disk image or ISO file. It'll ask you whether you want an older version or the latest version. I would pick the slightly older version. Hit confirm. Now it's going to ask you what product language. I live in the United States, so I picked English. Hit confirm. Now it's going to ask you whether you want to download 64-bit or 32-bit. Unless you're running a computer with a maximum of 3 gigabytes of memory, you might want the 64-bit download. Now here we are in the Boot Camp Assistant. We are going to uncheck download the latest Windows support software from Apple, and we are also going to uncheck install or remove Windows 7 or later version. The only box to leave checked is create a Windows 7 or later version install disk. We'll hit continue. We'll go ahead and select our ISO file that we downloaded earlier. And we will go ahead and check the destination disk as the USB installer. For me, it's the PNY USB 3. Hit continue, then continue again. And I'm not going to bore you by making you watch 15 minutes of formatting the selected drive and installing the software. I'll just show you the highlights. So there we have it, a thumb drive that is fully usable to install Windows 10 on any computer of our choosing. I trust you learned something and enjoyed watching this video today.